farmer has a field in the shape of a quadrilateral as shown. We're told that the angle between the fences AB and AD is 74 degrees. And we need to find the angle between the fences BC and CD. To help me do this, I'm going to draw on the line BD, because I can work out how long that is using the cosine rule in this blue triangle. I can say that x squared is equal to the 120 squared plus the 75 squared minus the 2 times the 120 times 75 times cos of the angle between them, which is 74. So putting all of that into my calculator, I get 15,063. And don't forget to square root your answer for the length of BD, which is 122.73 metres. So we know that x is 122.73 metres. I'm now going to use the cosine rule to work out the cosine rule with this red triangle to work out that missing angle. So the rearranged version of the cosine rule, when we want to work out the missing angle, let me just remind you of what that is. So I'm going to add 2bc cos A to both sides and subtract the a squared from both sides. And then I'm going to divide both sides by the 2bc. Right, so I can use that now. I'm going to say that cos of the question mark, what I'm trying to work out, is equal to, now in terms of labelling up the sides, the only one that's super important is that A has to be the one that's opposite the angle I'm working out. So I'm working out this angle here, so the 122.73, that has to be the A. The B and the C don't matter. So I'm going to say that B is 60, and I'm going to say that C is 135. And the A is the 122.73, but better than that, I've still got the display on my calculator, so I'm not going to do any rounding. I'm just going to use the answer display that's already stored in my calculator. Try and avoid rounding as much as you possibly can with these questions, until the very, very end. So typing all that into my calculator then, I've got the 60 squared plus 135 squared minus the answer squared divided by 2 times 60 times 135 gives me 0.41737, blah, blah, blah. And now I'm going to do cos inverse to work out actually what the angle is. So shift cos answer, and we get 65.3 degrees, and that is the angle between the fences BC and CD.